Kashmir government has now terminated services of Anisul Islam, the grandson of Syed Ali Gilani. He was appointed in 2016 in the SKICC. Also remember Farooq Ahmed Butt, a government teacher from Doda, has been sacked. He was appointed in the year 2005. His brother, Muhammad Amin Butt, is an active terrorist. So I think these are very, very important details and a big breaking that is coming in right now. Reports also indicate that the government has taken this big decision, Zeenat. This was in the coming. But what really are the ramifications of this, Zeenat? Explain to our viewers what is the importance of this breaking.
See, Dipti, as far as Anisul Islam's appointment at SKICC Sher-e-Kashmir International Convocation Center, he was appointed during Mehbooba Mufti's time in 2016 unrest. He was given a job at SKICC, and that time also his appointment was questioned by the former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and all others. And when Omar, I remember, he said that if the rules can be better, if you bend the rules for others, then even for your close people, the appointments are wrong. That backdoor appointments should not be supported, Omar Abdullah said then. But this time now, after the death of Gilani, it is almost 45 days when after Gilani's death. Now another thing that is coming, a blow to the separatist here, that the Anisul Islam has been dismissed from the service. The Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has issued the order because there are the allegations that he has been supporting the terror funding in Jammu and Kashmir. If you remember, in 2019, Anisul Islam was also questioned by and quizzed by NIA then, and his father, who's also Altaf Ahmed Shah alias Altaf Fantoosh, he is languishing in the Tihar jail for supporting terror funding in Jammu and Kashmir. And this is now coming when there are a lot of security arrangements as far as the terror funding is concerned. A lot of security issues are coming up as far as the terror issue is concerned. NIA team has recently visited Jammu and Kashmir, and Anis is appointed at SKICC, where most of the times the government functions are held. The dignitaries from the outside do prefer their state, SKICC. So he was considered always as a threat to the security for the known who's who of Jammu and Kashmir, and also outside his appointment was questioned then. And now keeping in account the way he has been questioned, his links with the terrorists and the funding and supporting the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, now Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has dismissed him from the service.
Yes, a very important story that you're breaking, Zeenat, for the moment. Thank you.